Okay, so in this experiment, this is EYM, the experiment setup. So this is the main part of the experiment, and this is the ball. This has filament, anode, and this ball is inside the vacuum with some gas, could be neon. And there are two coils, one here, and that's the Helmholtz coil to create the magnetic field. And we need a power supply, two power supply, one for the filament and another for the accelerating voltage. And one power supply is for the magnetic field. So let's start connecting them. Alright, so these are all written here. So let's start connecting with the filament first. So if you look at here, there is a heater, and this one we are using heater written here for this one. So connect this heater terminals here, and then you can check that if you see the filament on. So the voltage has to be, the voltage has to be 6.3 volt. Should not be more than that. Okay, around 6. So once you see after few seconds, you will see the filament turn on. So if you turn off the light, you will see that. Okay, so there is a filament turn on. All right. Okay. Now next. So once you set that, you can turn this off for a while. Now next is to make the connection for accelerating voltage. So we are using this high voltage supply. So let's connect here and then here. So if you use this, it will be, or if you use this one here, then you are using 500 maximum. And here it says 150 to 300 volt. So you will need only up to 300. So let's connect here. See electrons, right? For electron gone. So positive here and negative here. And this is the accelerating voltage for the electron. So you also need to give the voltage with respect to filament. So let's connect this filament voltage and the negative terminal of this power supply. Okay. What is that? Okay. Now let's test that. So turn this on and turn this on. So you see some voltage around 200 volt. Now after a while you will see a beam. So if you turn on the light, you will see the beam. Okay, let me put it here for voltage. Yes. There is a green beam. That's the electron beam. Okay. So you can, if you change that, you will see the beam intensity changing. So some little bit somehow you can also focus that beam using this. Says this person now. So try to focus it. Okay. Now next thing you need is what is the voltage you apply. So you have to connect this voltmeter here. So this one is voltmeter. So positive from here goes to voltage, and then another terminal goes to COM, right? So we are measuring DC voltage. So check this in the range of 1000 because our voltage is more than 100. So 1000. So right now it's 287. Okay. So you can turn this off. This is high voltage. So next part is to give the current for the help hose coil. So this we are going to use this source. So positive to positive and negative to negative here, and we are going to control the current from here. So this is the current controller. So if you turn this on, so we are using a constant current source. So I guess maximum current you need. So let's set the maximum first here, and then put on 2, right? 2, okay, 2. So if it flips, then you have to put a little bit more voltage. Now you can decrease the current. See, you don't have enough voltage. Let's set okay, now we can control the different current. So you are going to use this current in your record. Alright, so let's turn this on now. Turn this on and set the voltage around 200. Voltage 200. Current is let's say 1.5, right? 1.5, and then see what we get. It takes for a while to see the beam. Okay, now you see the electron beam. So you can change the voltage from here. If you decrease the voltage, ring will be smaller, that electron beam. If you increase the voltage, ring diameter will be bigger, right? So let's set here, and then if you decrease the current. So let's say if you increase the current, it shrinks, right? If you decrease the current, it becomes bigger. So if you increase the voltage, diameter becomes bigger. If you increase the current, diameter becomes smaller. So you have to play with one set is fixed voltage and different current, and another set is different current and vary the voltage. Fix the current, vary the voltage, and one is fix the voltage, vary the current. So you can choose different currents. For each current, you have different voltage. Another current, again another voltage. So you will have many combinations, and from all the combination you have to calculate E over M, and also you need to plot the graphs for all the setups. So how do we measure the diameter? So if you look at, let's increase a little bit. So let's focus this. So if you look at here carefully, on the back side there is a reflecting surface, and it has also mark like a ruler. So you look at the reflection, of the ring on that reflecting surface, and record the value of the mark, and do the same thing on the other side. So you have to use the parallax method. That means coincide the ring and its image and read at that point, and do the same thing for other side. Okay, and remember you are measuring the diameter, and the center of the circle will be different for different voltage and the current. Okay, so once you are done, first thing you have to do is bring down to 0, turn this off, right? Bring down to 0, turn this off, and also turn this off, and put that back to off here. So if you want to make your friend's life easy, you can leave it on like this, but it's better to take off everything so that your friend will read okay. Okay, good luck.